Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by balancing levels. Make sure the drum bus sits around -6 dBFS so the compressor has headroom. Insert a single compressor and set a 3:1 ratio. This gives controlled punch without squashing. Choose a medium attack, 20 to 40 milliseconds, so transients pass through. Pick a release between 50 and 150 milliseconds to match groove. Aim for 2 to 6 dB of gain reduction as your first pass. This establishes dynamics without destroying energy. Once done with the basic pass, focus on transients and tone. If you want more punch, lengthen attack. If snares or sticks are too sharp, shorten it. You control snap versus body. Engage a sidechain high pass around 80 to 200 Hz so low-end kick energy doesn't trigger excess compression. Then set up a parallel channel and blend roughly 30 to 50% compressed signal back under the dry drums. That preserves transient clarity while adding weight and sustain. Finish by matching output gain so the compressed bus compares fairly to bypass sound. You're listening for impact, not loudness. Automate threshold or the parallel send for verses versus choruses because static settings rarely suit an entire arrangement. If you hear unwanted pumping, slow the release or lower the ratio. Also verify the sidechain high pass isn't set too high. Make sure to solo and unsolo the bus to confirm the compressor. Improves the kit in context.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.